Have you ever felt this? You understand English. You know the words. But the moment it's time to speak, your mind suddenly goes blank and you stay silent. And inside your head, there's this voice. What if I say it wrong? What if my grammar is bad? What if people judge me? And slowly, that fear starts breaking your confidence. You watch videos, you learn, you even feel motivated. But when it's time to speak in real life, the words just don't come out. And then a thought hits you. Maybe I'm just not good at this. Your mind keeps translating every sentence from your language to English, and then from English to doubt. And in that process, your natural flow completely breaks. Sometimes you even start strong, day 1, day 2. But then life gets busy. You stop, and you end up exactly where you started. And that cycle keeps repeating. But here's the truth. You are not weak. You're just following the wrong method. And that's why you're not seeing results. And one more important thing. You're not alone. Thousands of learners go through this exact phase, and still, they become fluent. Step by step. Because when you follow the right method and practice a little every day, especially with techniques like shadowing, your brain slowly starts speaking English naturally, without overthinking. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start and not stop. Because real confidence only comes after action. Hello, my dear English learners. Welcome back to Fluentcore English. I'm Gwen, and I'm really glad you're here with me again today. And if you're here right now, that tells me something important. You didn't quit. Day 1, you started using your voice. Day 2, you trained your thinking. Day 3, you made your English more natural. And today, we fix something deeper. Overthinking. That exact moment when your brain becomes too active and your voice becomes silent. In today's session, you're not just going to repeat sentences. You're going to train your brain to speak without stopping, without freezing, without overthinking. Simple, natural, real. And listen carefully. This is important. Fluency is not about knowing more English. It's about reacting faster, without fear, without hesitation. And today, we start building that. So don't stay silent. Even if your voice feels slow, even if your sentence is not perfect, speak anyway. Because the moment you stay silent, your brain learns fear. But the moment you speak, your brain learns confidence. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders. Let's begin day 4. Stay with me. This is where your speaking starts to feel different. Speak with me. I allow my words to flow naturally. Again, I allow my words to flow naturally. One more time. I allow my words to flow naturally. Don't block your words. Let them move. Next, I stay calm when I search for words. Again, I stay calm when I search for words. One more time, I stay calm when I search for words. Because searching is normal, panic is optional. Next, every time I speak, I improve a little. Again, every time I speak, I improve a little. One more time. Every time I speak, I improve a little. It may feel small, but it's building something big. Next, mistakes help me become a better speaker. Again, mistakes help me become a better speaker. One more time. Mistakes help me become a better speaker. Mistakes are not stopping you. Silence is. Next, I focus on sharing my ideas clearly. Again, I focus on sharing my ideas clearly. One more time. I focus on sharing my ideas clearly. Clear ideas matter more than perfect sentences. Next, my brain is learning to speak faster. Again, my brain is learning to speak faster. One more time. My brain is learning to speak faster. You may not notice it yet, but it's happening. Next, I trust myself when I speak English. Again, I trust myself when I speak English. One more time. I trust myself when I speak English. Confidence doesn't come first. Trust does. Next, I speak slowly, but with confidence. Again, I speak slowly, but with confidence. One more time. I speak slowly, but with confidence. Slow is not weak. Slow is controlled. Next, each practice session makes me stronger. Again, each practice session makes me stronger. One more time. Each practice session makes me stronger. You're not just practicing, you're building ability. Take a breath. You've already completed so much. And now, this is where it gets even more powerful. So stay focused. Use your voice. Let's continue. I stop overthinking and trust my voice. Again, I stop overthinking and trust my voice. One more time. I stop overthinking and trust my voice. This is the shift. Next, my words become clearer every day. Again, my words become clearer every day. One more time. My words become clearer every day. Clarity comes with use, not thinking. Next, confidence grows every time I speak. Again, confidence grows every time I speak. One more time. Confidence grows every time I speak. You don't wait for confidence, you build it. Next, I choose progress instead of perfection. Again, I choose progress instead of perfection. One more time. I choose progress instead of perfection. Perfection delays you. Progress moves you. Next. My English improves with every practice. Again. My English improves with every practice. One more time. My English improves with every practice. Even today, you improved. Next. I speak freely without fear of mistakes. Again. I speak freely without fear of mistakes. One more time. I speak freely without fear of mistakes. Freedom in speaking comes from action. Next. My mind becomes stronger with practice. Again. My mind becomes stronger with practice. One more time. My mind becomes stronger with practice. This is mental training, not just language. Next. I trust the learning process. Again. I trust the learning process. One more time. I trust the learning process. Even when it feels slow, it's working. Next. Every sentence brings me closer to fluency. Again. Every sentence brings me closer to fluency. One more time. Every sentence brings me closer to fluency. Closer than you think. Next. I believe in my English journey. Again. I believe in my English journey. One more time. I believe in my English journey. Because belief keeps you moving. Next. My confidence is growing every day. Again. My confidence is growing every day. One more time. My confidence is growing every day. And now you can feel it. Just a little. Final one. I am becoming a confident English speaker. Again. I am becoming a confident English speaker. One more time. I am becoming a confident English speaker. Take a deep breath. You just completed day 4. And this is important, because today you didn't just repeat sentences. You trained your brain to stop overthinking and start speaking. That's a real shift. Fluency doesn't come from thinking more, it comes from speaking more. And today, you did that. So if you practiced with me, write in the comments, Day 4 done. Not for me, for yourself. Because showing up again is what builds real fluency. And now, tell me one more thing. What do you want to learn in day 5? Real conversations? Fast speaking? Confidence in real situations? Write it in the comments. I'll read them and build the next lesson for you. And if this practice helped you, make sure you subscribe to Fluentcore English, because this journey is just getting started. One small step every day, that's all it takes. Rest your voice, stay consistent, and remember, you're improving more than you think. I'm Gwen. I'll see you in day 5.